Zoli White Smoke, The Sounds of the Rain EP was dropped yesterday, which was 19 June 2026. It was beautiful. She's a upcoming artist. Please, guys, you can go and check the song at all social media. And then she even invited a lot of influencers, artists were there, such as Shandesh, Jenisto were there, and Trafi Fana was there, and it was beautiful. It was epic. You can even the show was even emotional when she mentioned about the artist Karishma, and then we wish her a speedy recovery, guys.
Let's sing together.
Yeah, Janisto still has it. Still powerful artist. He he hold the mic, and then the crowd then went, wow. He still has it in the game. He's a professional. He has some experience. I can say it's the OG of the game. Guys, Lokompo then is taking over to the world. Just don't miss on Lokompo. Don't ignore Lokompo. Lokompo to the fast.
Happy New Year, Zoli! Zoli,